outer layer of Earth, also called crust, is made of solid material and divided into big and small segments called tectonic plates. These tectonic plates move relative to each other all the time. This relative movement can be of four types. 1. Two plates might merge in each other, and due to density difference, one plate might slide on top of other. 2. Two plates might move laterally to each other. 3. Two same density plate might merge into each other and form mountain-like structure. 4. Two plates might move away from each other. Let's analyze first and second type of movement. We know that crust of Earth is solid and made of big rocks. When the plates move relative to each other, this movement is always restricted by friction between these big rocks present at the line they move along. As the pressure builds up due to movement of plates, sometimes these rocks break down and the plates feels a sudden movement. This sudden movement is nothing but earthquake. Quake means to shake, and earth means land. So earthquake means shaking of land. The point where the rock breaks is called focus or point of origin. Point on surface of Earth vertically above the focus is called epicenter. Sometimes, this jerking movement results in formation of cracks on the surface of Earth. Effect of this sudden jerk travel in different directions in the form of seismic waves. Seismic wave can be of three types. 1. S wave. 2. P wave, and 3. Surface wave. S wave causes surface to move up and down, whereas P wave causes surface to compress and relax like a spring. P waves are very fast and reach the surface of Earth first. Seismograph is the instrument which reads these waves and measure magnitude of earthquake. S and P